Welcome to the introduction and demo of our platform called Corpopera Decentralized Ledge Locker. Myself is Praveen Kumar and I am the founder of Corpopera Private Limited. First, let me brief you about our platform and then I'll show you a little demo of our developed code. Corpopera Decentralized Ledge Locker, or we can just call it as a CDLL, is a decentralized SaaS platform which supports creating irrefutable, immutable, auditable, consensus driven, and self executing virtual contracts, and with the ability to store and maintain critical information and documents by following cryptographic protocols. CDLL platform is designed to support various industries like logistics and warehouse industry, retail and supply chain, commercial asset rentals, and so on. A platform creates a single source of truth from manufacturer to end customer with a track history. These industries consist of a complex network of stakeholders. Now, with our platform, they all will be referring to single source of truth and information and the documents from starting to end. Let us see what all the problems it is going to resolve. Problem statement 1: Friction and inefficiencies. Industries like supply chain consists of a complex network of stakeholders, due to which they are suffering from critical issues like friction and disagreements, inefficient coordination, fluctuating pricing, improper incentives, redundant paperwork, and manual transactions, which resulting into significant revenue loss, increases expenses for all the participants, costing organizations billions of dollars each year due to failed deliveries, frauds, and damaged goods. Problem statement 2: Piracy and duplicate products. Believe it or not, 30% of FMCG items are fake. 20% of accidents are because of fake automobile parts. FMCG Industries faces 98,000 crore rupees loss annually. Most of FMCG Industries spends millions to tackle all these piracy issues. Problem statement 3: Winner takes all the economy. What we have is a shrinking economy in which large portion of profit has to be shared with these intermediate service providers. These intermediate service providers have powerful centralized servers. They possess huge amount of user data with a huge computation power developed by best talents in the world. They have created an environment where they get share of every sale. It is like one-way street. You do not own your own data. You give them the data. They decide what to do with your data. They control you right from marketing to last mile delivery. This is a real problem because in the good economy, creator of the product are supposed to monetize more and more, but in bad economy, they monetize less, irrespective of the quality. In recent years, major technology entities such as SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, and others introduced cloud-based solutions to improve freight and order management, transportation planning and execution, and cost settlement. But none of these entities addresses the human element in the industry, which is hampered by friction and lack of trust and the quality. Carriers don't trust brokers because they offer no transparency into load data or pricing. Shippers treat carriers as commodities, often work with those who offer the lowest price. Brokers and carriers disputes over responsibility of damage claims. And so many real issues are there on the ground. None of these issues are addressed by any of these technology entities. As lately world started realizing the importance of decentralized applications, major logistic and warehouse carriers in some countries have started using blockchain based smart contracts. Now, these entities are successfully able to resolve the issues related to human element. Now they can ensure the quality of the service from the point of the shipment enters into their scope until it moves out of their scope. But from starting to end, there are so many stakeholders involved between manufacturer to end customer. Any one of them fixing the issue will not solve the overall problem. We can fix these issues only by having common access platform which can create these decentralized smart contracts and provide easy access to all the stakeholders. You can compare something like social networking sites where user profiles are accessed by different stakeholders according to their privileges. The difference here is instead of user profile, there will be smart contracts, and these are accessible by authorized stakeholders. Will have a critical info encrypted, decision making capabilities based on real time info, will have a ability to trigger tasks like payments based on the pre-configured conditions, and will have a lifetime according to the nature of the business. Some can have 1 hour of time and some can exist for many years. Additionally, our platform takes over the overhead of securely storing critical and confidential documents using hack-free crypto protocols and blockchain technology. This diagram depicts the architecture of CDLL platform. It supports functions like creating a profile with authentication and authorization credentials. Then client needs to create a smart contract template with all terms and conditions used in their business using UI tools. System will generate a template ID. Next time whenever he wants to deploy a smart contract, he just needs to send that particular template ID with a stakeholder and monetary details using open APIs. We have developed sets of APIs for these clients like payment APIs, document APIs, query APIs, notification APIs, IoT device APIs, and so on. Platform also supports callback functions and webhooks to third-party service providers like payment gateways and notification servers. This diagram depicts working architecture of CDLL platform. It is hybrid architecture, carefully designed to take the benefits of both centralized and decentralized solutions. Decentralized architecture is used for storing critical information and executing smart contracts, whereas centralized part of solution is used for non-critical information and also makes service a user-friendly solution. This is important because not everyone can maintain wallets and store private keys, especially in industries like logistic and warehouse and supply chain. CDLL core process plus wallet uses Node.js developed using Java scripts and programming. CDLL core process talks to Ethereum blockchain via Web3 interfaces. Solidity programming is used for smart contracts, and CDLL application stores documents securely on CASDB. A contract exists on both on-chain and off-chain databases. Private and sensitive data, legal documents and proofs are stored securely on off-chain database using content addressable storage pattern. While the off-chain data reference hash, transit data, permissions, terms and conditions, tracking IDs, approvals are stored on the on-chain. Smart contract is the key to access both off-chain and on-chain data. This is how it works. Client should be authorized user. First he needs to create a necessary smart contract template using UI tools, and then client just needs to invoke APIs for deploying the required smart contract. Client sends a request to deploy smart contract with the contract template ID, stakeholder details, permissions and monetary info. Core process reads this information and deploys contract in the blockchain with encapsulating all the necessary information. Blockchain returns the address to the core process. Core process sets stakeholder and permissions. Core process sends ethers or the tokens to seal the contract. and contract is successfully deployed. Now client can upload other supporting information and documents using open APIs. Core process securely stores this information in content addressable storage and sets hash in the contract. Client can also submit monetary details which will be stored in the form of ethers and used as defined in the contract. Now end-to-end functioning smart contract is created, and this will be acknowledged to the client. Please also check demo video of CDLL platform. If you have any questions or if you want to work with us, please reach us at real.corpopera@gmail.com. Thank you.